Hello my babies, I'm back. Just finished cleaning up the bathroom and bed. I did wet up and I never did want to clean up the entire house in the wet clothes. So we're going to continue with the cleaning now in the bedroom and then just take it to that side there. The only thing I have to do though is the bedroom, the living room and the kitchen. The kitchen is okay, nothing wrong with the kitchen. The kitchen always clean and there's not much space in there to work with, so nothing to move around, nothing to change, but I have a few little decor to add to it and you guys will see that. Now guys, if when I did I clean up the bathroom and my face makeup, I promise you nothing to do me. Nothing at all. I don't know why my face have to look so serious when I clean like me vex with the entire world. Anyways, last night when I finished hang up the curtain them, remember me telling you somebody I go on my bed? No, I never go on my bed. I got so carried away with cleaning off camera. I did the furniture them, and I remember how they just did full of random things. Still full of random things, but them are just the things that I use to clean. I'm going to show you, just in case somebody asks. So for the mirror, Windex. For the furniture, this. And for air freshener, this. I just got you and just get the house a little, yeah. Not too crazy. Kind of cut off a bleach and Fabulous and them stuff the way I use wipe out house and wipe down things, because I start to use the vinegar and the warm water and also the baking soda diluted in the water. Those work really well and you know, make me feel like my stifle and I love that. So yeah, clean the chest of drawer and clean the bed. So I clean down all of the things them in the room. The reason why I do that, so I didn't want to get some personal cleaning done without the camera being on. So I just go through, pack with some little personal things and move. I don't know, and not everything really I go get done on camera. Not much that in here for do other than just spread the bed. And then after when I finish everything, Jason I go through and sweep and wipe out the place. The sheet that I intend to use on the bed, I'm not going to put it on yet because them sheet here are dirty. And I'm going to just spread back the bed with it. So let us get right into it. So we're going to light a candle. This is champagne toast and move to the living area. So now we're going to clean up the living area. If you hear noise in the background, work is being done outside, so you probably hear a drill or a little knocking here and there. I went ahead, put on the cushion cover them from last night. So these are the colors that we are working with. So black and just a little for white. You know this black nut ball and this gold. Now I'm gonna put gold for tying back some stuff in the living room, like the accessory on the table, this and the table runner. But I could decide, guys, I could vote the table runner. Let me show you. So I have this that I got from Temu, but I feel like it now go match. Probably it will complement like the pampas grass on the table, but it now gonna really complement nothing else. If me did have like the nut ball now what I'm having at the room round here, then it would have worked out. So this one or this one, like how this a gold. Cause the reason why I put on back, you know the cushion cover here, it me did have on, me just take it off and wash it and put it on back. The reason why I put on back this one, because the gold in this, you know, could have tied it back a little bit. So now talk to me in the comment section. But I feel like this make more sense though. So we just go organize the cushion them in it. So we're gonna put the black to the back and then put the gold at the front. Alright, so that's it. So I have this blanket that I got from Temu. I wonder if I could just put it on the side for the throw blanket, or I could just use this. This is what I was planning to use. So use the black or too much black, or put the white. I don't know if after Christmas I'm going to take up this, but just for like lighten it a little bit, put the white. Alright, we're going to vote in the comment section. So this is how the white look. I'm going to just catch it on the side. Now, I don't really know how to set throw blanket, you know. I only just catch it. Just play around with it until I feel comfortable with how it look. You look alright? Hold on. So this is how the black would have look. Let me hide that. So the black would have look something like this. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna make the white stay for now. And then when time Christmas done, I'm put the black back up there. So I'm gonna fold up the one here. So one for me and one for Jason, but because me take it on throw blanket, me not think me have none now. So this is for Jason. If we're out here and I watch one moving, can come up with it. But me just make it stay in a this. Remember this, guys? They really match the decor, you know. But me love it. Let's try to look at thing. Alright. So now we're gonna clean off the table. Lord. The mirror for around a kitchen. I just did the rest of them pan it to see how it would have looked. But when I reach to this yet, and this I go underneath the TV, but we'll clean the TV last. Remember, I did get that little bead there from Temu. Oh, and guys, I see them little cloth here, they are not the same. I did use one like this in the bathroom, but I don't eat this. The one over there I use in the bathroom, I just buy the pack and I normally just use one in the bathroom and just use them throughout the house. No, I not get them mixed up because what in our kitchen, I not carry in our bathroom, and what in our bathroom, I not carry in our kitchen. So I just put it in the middle, put back this on it, and then change out the can there and put this one Let's forget a little Christmas vibe. I'm done with the TV stand. This is how it's looking. I have no more decor for add to it. I try about the beady something to see if it would have looked good there, but I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I probably move it. And I don't like so the internet box of it on the TV stand, but for now I have to work with it there until I put something over the TV. I'm so sure of that. Put something over the TV if I put it in a, I don't know how I'm going to set it yet, but then I'm going to go over the TV and I'm going to put the little green cactus plant them in it. I didn't want to get the, what you call it? Come on, strip light. I didn't want to get the strip light for put behind the TV, but I never get that. I still gonna get it though because that can put up anytime. Guys, how the house look? I said it's gonna look till next year, you know. Okay, let me just make that clear. Well, you probably know that because every time I change curtain or anything, I never change it back until the next Christmas. I wash it though, I will take it down and freshen it up, but decor don't change at all. Okay, beautiful people, you can call it some done. The only thing I have to do is adding this in the kitchen and that's it. I not do nothing in the kitchen. My kitchen space no bigger matter of fact, and how it's set up now, I just tell it to stay. More than me, I go just add in the mat them and I the same mat with it in the kitchen. As I wash them and add that one I just showing in there. The piece of curtain will come out with a go in, so that now got trouble, and also the what that name? The dish towel we go up on the stove, that no comment either. My vibes kind of broke, you know. I push through and just I try to motivate myself, you know. My vibes broke because the bathroom curtain no come. The basket, the moment they go change off from the something over the toilet, that no come. So, my vibes, they kind of broke, but nevertheless, work have to go on, we have to do what we have to do. Hopefully it come before December over with. Them take really long with the package them. And what annoy me the most, another fact I'm gonna get them to put in at the house, you know, for the whole Christmas cleaning, you know. And the fact I have to apologize to the people them whom I work with. Every time they message me, I have to tell them, so no, in reach it. But things are coming along. The house finally done with. After I'm gonna put the little things in the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, the Christmas tree decorate. I'ma just feel good because me never did want to wait until late in December for all of them things are done. But you just want to do it and soak in the moment and just turn on the Christmas tree, watch one little Christmas movie and just enjoy Christmas other than just cleaning the house and cooking. I'm just grateful, thank you Jesus, of where me I come from. Even when me didn't live at the previous house them and you know, things just never did up. Me did always know what I want. I don't want to get emotional and bawling, but every time I just look around in the house, I just have to thank God because of where me I come from. And for all there a long time, no, what I go through. I just take my little time and go and do what I have to do, and I just encouraging do what I can do and work on the pace when I can work on. People will come and people will bash you and say, how you not do this yet? How you not do that? How that not happen? Da 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 da. But you know what you know. Live within your means. If you know you can't do it, not put yourself out of the way. Just put in the work and go and do what you do. Things not 100%, but may I take my little time and do what I have to do, a step by step. And I just have faith and I just trust God so everything will eventually fall in place. I love these stuff in the house, but I don't idolize them. I take care of them and I keep them clean, but them are just vanity to me. Let us continue to the kitchen. I'm gonna put this in the corner right here, so I wanna tell me how it look. So that's it. Is it nice? I think it's cute. So I'm gonna make it stay there. And that's about it. Yeah. Kitchen small. But me I work with it. Me I learn to be contented with what I have and don't complain. I would love a bigger space, yes, but I'm good. It can work. And I always keep the kitchen clean as best as possible. Me not crowd up the space, none at all. In regards to this now, when I show them this setup, that is how it's looking. My toaster, my fruit basket, a fake plant, my oil bottle, oil and vinegar, and my biscuit jar. I'm gonna keep crackers in her. Just to finish, I'ma go put out the mat them, but through the house no wipe nor sweep it. Them no put out yet, but I did wash them and fold them up. So that is really it, guys. Me and Jason are gonna do a little cleaning up in the back room off camera, cause not really around this for sure. Just organizing and stuff like that. And then the next bathroom and not only the other bathroom left to do. Probably just the toilet one for freshen up and stuff. Hey guys, we just finished doing everything. Jason just finished wipe the house and I'm lighting this candle just to set a little vibe. We'll go in bed and watch a movie. Before I end off, I'm showing a few changes what I make. I took off the gold table runner. I just feel like this one complements the table really well, and I got this from Temu. It's really nice. It looks good. I love it more for the table. The gold, I don't know, something about the gold. I don't know if when I added the table mat, it did start to throw off the gold, and the table mat them complement it well. It complement the pampas grass well. I probably need to go in and organize it. Guys, pampas grass will have a specific look, or if it just always looks a chaka chaka. I'm gonna try to organize it still, you know, and make it look good, but that's what we have. It's cute. So comment and let me know what you guys think. The gold or this one. We have the black rug underneath it, you know, just for like tying back. This, I don't know. I'll probably change something out here so as well. Probably at this, you know, probably I needed solid white or something. Or take out the black. What if I take out the two black at the back and put like solid white. I don't know. What should I do? Quality changed, guys, because I use my phone recorder part here. But this is what we're working with. It's cute so far. I did take up this. So this and really, I don't notice it move. I now use this again. This I feel like when we are go watch movie. I go put my black. See, too much black. Too much black. I probably need a white throw blanket. Let me see how white would I look. I think the back of this is white, you know. Okay, see, guys. No, I don't know. I don't know. I need one nice knitted. And you know the funniest thing? I'm supposed to have one of that come in and my team or something, you know. I go for something and come back and see what would look best. Hold on. If I put this, I might need to put back my gray nut ball. But then, my aunt to something, you know. Then it would have complement the blanket here some more, but this blanket is just for December. Just put them here over the front and see how it would have look. Remove this. All right. What side look better? I don't know. I just feel as if the gold one is the accent piece. I don't want trouble the gold. Because I have little things in here where the gold are tying back with.
Well.
Okay.
The circumference of the hypotenuse.
Just white. Just tell me how
it looks alright to me, babe.
It looks okay?
Yeah, and the black is nice too.
Alright, so leave it alone.
Yeah.
Okay. And the last thing I want to do is to plug in the Christmas tree. Just forget the little Christmas vibe in here. So now I can go bed and relax. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much.